In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a premium feature of TradingView, which I guarantee you would have not seen this before. And if you are an investor, trader, or sitting on the fence trying to understand the business, this video will be very helpful. So watch till the end. So let's go straight into it. So this feature which I'm walking you through is called Fundamental Graph. Now, how do you access that? You go to TradingView, and if you go and simply click on the plus, this is my desktop app of TradingView. You can access this from the website as well, and you will see there is something called Fundamental Graph. You can see my mouse. This is a brand new feature, and I want to walk you step by step in this one. So let's go into it. Now, what happens here is, as you can see, let's understand something in this. On the right hand side, you can see my watch list, which is there. On left hand side, you can see there's a fundamental graph, and you can name this. So I can save this so that I don't have to come back, and I just save this and create a new graph. Okay. So I will name it called PWI 1 and I create it. Okay. So what happens is this is my graph which I can keep coming, and I have a list of companies which I want to put it together, and I want symbols with all matrices, right? So I can select companies, and I can show the price on the chart if I want to as well, and I can select which metrics. And now this feature is amazing because you get premium data as part of the trading view, and you can select income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, statistics, and all that information is available. Like, for example, I want ROE, right? Return of percent of equity, and I'll say I want it quarterly for this. Now you can see here what is going on. I'll just is if I remove this, you got Apple, Google. These are two companies which I'm trying to compare. So Apple is right now total revenue of Apple, which is in the yellow color. Then I've got magenta color return on investment for Apple. Then I got total revenue in blue for Google and return on equity in yellow with right below in it. And let's say, for example, I remove this for simplicity. These are the two things on side by side. Now, what I want to add is also give me the number of employees, because now given that with all this AI number of employees annually. So it's only available annually. So let's say, and you on the down below, you can see 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, all this information which is available, given that this is on different graphs. So let's remove this one by one and see what's happening. So if I want to see what's going on with Apple with number of employees, and you can see there was a dip from 5 years to 10 years, and now it's steadily rising. And prior to that period, it was just completely rising. So you can see it's completely flat. And if I add Microsoft as well, in the process, so and see what's going on with Microsoft, and you see Microsoft has 228K employees, and whereas Apple has 166K employees, and they're kind of flat at the moment, right? And if you want to compare this with Indian company, let's say Infosys, I just want to compare and see what's going on, because there's a lot of job losses which is being happening, and you can see all of them showing the same trend, whereas it's flat, right? They're not increasing, and that's right data in front of you on your fingertips. Now let's go and I'll show you another feature. And again, I'm not going to go line by line. You can just figure out, if you know fundamentals, follow me on this channel. And if you're mind blown with this, type mind blown, because this kind of premium information you'll not find anywhere. So let's go how to use this further. Right now, I want to show you something, another amazing thing. So if, let's say, for example, I want to see funds, right? Because you got silver. Now, silver has been off late, had a good rally, so I want to see what's going on. I'll select silver, and so let's take a ETF called SLV, one of the biggest ETF of silver. Let me type it properly, and silver. And what you get is you get a different metrics here. Now, this is the net asset value, asset under management, discount to premium to NAV, fund flows. And I'm interested in fund flows. I want to see what's happening in the fund flows. You can see here the more erratic movement is there because you've seen that there has been tremendous rally in silver, and you can see last 1 year what's going on. The fund flow has been crazy. $3.25 billion have only come into silver fund. Now this is an information previous to it, when there was no price action, you can see what was going on. There was hardly anything. If I bring the price chart on this straight away, you know exactly what's going on. Isn't it powerful? Just type powerful if you have not seen this before. And that's why I said this is just crazy, right? So yes, so this is one of the feature. You can save it and you can use it again and again. And I'm going to be making more such videos. So if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the notification bell and share with your friends and family. My name is Shivan Bhatia, signing off. Have a peaceful weekend investing. Bye bye.